Okay, so now setting up on the drill press for drilling 6mm holes for the axles on the Bobcat for the Year 10 project. So it's a 6.5mm drill bit. Make sure it's nice and tight. Grab him and put him in here. Lock him down nice and tight. Foot on the bottom pedal. Drill going. Just take your time. Yeah, nice and steady, nice and slow. Let the drill do the work. And second hole. Alright, that's them drilled. So now we will go and grind off that part there. Come over to the grinder. No gloves, of course. Make sure we cool this down though, it's a bit warm. Just gotta cool it down in the water. Nice, take the heat out of it. Make sure you got hot hearing protection and eye protection on. And lock it. Okay. And it's on the other side. Oh, so you should just knock apart. You too. Breaks apart, and then those holes are going to line up. Sweet, flatten this out. Now it's time to take all the burrs and stuff off it.